Hi, this is Coach Jeremy Wintercheck. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on Rank 1 messaging. So please bear with me for just a moment while I switch into presentation mode. All right, so you should still be able to see me, but you should also see this Rank 1 page that's come up. And so what we're going to do first is we're going to go to the URL if you're not there yet, and then we're going to dial in www.rank1sport.com. Once you're at this page, you will click on Employee School Login. You're going to put your email address in that you've been given, and then your password. I'm typing mine wrong. And it'll take you to the home page right here. Now, to use the Messenger application, you're going to come over here on the button that says Messenger, and then in the drop-down window, it says Sport Messenger. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to find this button right over here that says Compose Message. You can hit that. On this spot, you're going to look at the one that says Rosters, Player, and Parent. You want to hit that. The field on the left here is what school, or which level of the school that you're going to be sending it to. So the top one is the high school. The second one right here that says, you can't see it, it says summer there, so that's summer activities. This one is middle school, and this one's intermediate school. So I'm just going to use my own as an example for my team. So we're going to go high school, football, varsity, and then you hit search. And then it's going to come up and show you your roster down here. And it's got a window to type some messages in. All right, so just a couple of things. If you click this button right here that says select all, it will either deselect or select all of them. You can select them as individuals as well. Now, one of the cool things about this window here to type in is it expands. So you can expand it and see your entire message. You want to type in a subject line there. And I just dialed one in that I used frequently. And then you will go in and start your message right here. So this is the area that you type your message in the field here. And then if you have a file that you need to attach, like a lot of times, if we're in a tournament, then you have a tournament bracket that someone sends to us. You can attach that file right here. You just hit choose files. Then you go into the folder that you want to choose a file from, and you click on that file, and it will attach it. I will tell you too, on the send to section right here, I don't use this to communicate with players, because as much as we tried, our players just don't look at rank 1. There are other methods of communication that we found to be better with the players. But I do make sure parent is clicked. All right, and then you just type your message in here. Now, one of the things we always tell our coaches is that rank 1, it's a great, powerful tool, but one of the limitations of it is the messaging system is a one-way messaging system. So if you just send a message to a family, they can't respond to that message just in the default mode. However, we found a way to make sure that that's able to happen. And so when you get done with your message, at the bottom of it, if you will just type in your email address, and you don't have to do this if you don't want to in terms of giving them your phone number, but if you're okay with them having your cell phone number, you can type that in as well. But we do tell you that we do want you to type in your email address no matter what. They've got to have some sort of way to communicate back with you and ask a question. But what will happen if you type your email address or your telephone number into this is it will hyperlink it. So it will create a link in the email or in the message that goes out to them so that they can just click on that link to email you back or to send you a text message or whatnot. But it's really important because that's one of the things that families always want, is a way to email us back. Now, I would tell you this: the more information you can put in these messages for the week, the less emails that you will have back in return, and the less things that you're going to be having people ask for. So I try to over inform people. And so just to give you an example of one of the things that I would do, and I have included this, it's actually on our coaching resources website, but it's my general communication template. And so anyway, I'll take this and then I will just copy and paste it into my weekly updates that I send out to my parents, and so it's really it's really beneficial so that I don't have to just recreate the wheel every time, but it helps to be able to copy and paste those things in. And again, I've got a copy of my communication template on the coaching resources webpage for your convenience. But then anyway, after you do that, you just hit send right here, and it sends it out to everybody who's on your roster. And if you notice, when it says over here under parents app installed, we've kind of conditioned our parents to install that app so they know to look for it. And they know that the communication is coming by that means. All right. So anyway, but you do have to make sure you hit send or else it won't go out. So anyway, that's the nuts and bolts of the Rank One Messenger. And if you have any questions, please let us know.